Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is winning hearts and minds, the art and science of positive communication. Ladies and gentlemen, in an age of rapid expression, digital echo chambers and shrinking attention spans, communication has never been more abundant nor more misunderstood. Despite advances in connectivity, the world experiences increasing misinterpretations, fractured dialogue and emotional fatigue. The cause is not a lack of words, but a disconnection from the deeper purpose of communication, the transmission of meaningful positive energy. As both an art and science, communication holds the power to transform not just relationships, but inner states, societal currents, and even collective consciousness. At its essence, communication is energy. Every interaction, whether through speech, writing, gesture, or silence, carries emotional and energetic weight. Modern neuroscience shows that the human brain is designed to decode emotional content before logic takes effect. This makes tone, tenor, and intent as critical as the content. Every brain across cultures and ages absorbs communication as energetic input, receiving it, reacting to it, or reflecting upon it. Positive communication stimulates the release of hormones such as dopamine and oxytocin, creating warmth, trust, and openness. Negative input, in contrast, elevates cortisol, closing cognitive pathways and triggering defense. Thus, communication becomes a biological experience, not merely a cognitive one. Even in difficult situations, the careful use of simple but powerful words such as thank you, please, sorry, regret, appreciate, fairness, and understood can shift the emotional energy and open space for resolution. The presence of reasonability and absence of prejudice in tone and word choice has the potential to elevate communication into a restorative and respectful exchange regardless of the issue at hand. The tone with which something is said often carries more influence than what is said. A calm, balanced, and respectful delivery imbues even hard truths with acceptance. Developing a mastery over language, not just vocabulary, but its emotional cadence, creates the ability to communicate across boundaries, generations, and belief systems. In this form, communication becomes an art where tone, rhythm, content, silence, and intent are woven into a flow of positive photons. The art can be practiced, the science can be learned. Words like seeds carry the future of relationships. Planted in kindness, they bloom into understanding. What's the way forward? Moving toward positive communication begins with a subtle internal shift from reaction to reflection. Inserting a conscious pause allows the mind to respond with awareness instead of emotion. Recognizing that communication is not just external but also internal reframes self-talk as a foundational habit, one that either builds or burdens the psyche. A stronger understanding of how the brain processes communication, especially the amygdala's role in emotional reactivity and the prefrontal cortex role in reflection, can empower individuals to tune their expression to be constructive and healing. To practice, one may begin with intentional efforts. First, use language that uplifts even when disagreeing. Second, maintain tone neutrality in challenging interactions. Third, replace judgment with inquiry. Fourth, integrate gratitude, empathy, and clarity in speech. Sixth, reflect before responding, allowing inner calm to shape outer influence. Seventh, cultivate fairness and restraint even in dissonance. Over time, these habits build a resonant communicative presence capable of influencing without imposition, leading without dominance, and healing without preaching. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, positive communication is neither soft nor simplistic. It is deliberate, dignified, and deeply transformative. It bridges the rational with the emotional, the visible with the energetic. In a noisy world, the calm clarity of respectful, soulful expression becomes a superpower, one that touches not only minds but also hearts and spirits. In every age, civilizations have risen and healed through the grace of those who spoke with clarity and with kindness. The ancient wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita speaks timelessly to this truth. Austerity of speech consists in speaking truthfully and beneficially without agitating others, and in practicing speech that is pleasing, gentle, and meaningful. In embracing this path, communication rises beyond exchange. It becomes enlightened expression, flowing with intention, compassion, and light. Through such mastery, the art of speech becomes a gift to humanity, and the science behind it a gateway to inner and outer harmony. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.